good.
It's all locked up, Dodger.
All right, there's gotta be some way in. Yeah, Francis.
Now don't cry, little girl. Only eat what I tell them to.
Francis, you all set?
Well, lo sapevo.
Francis!
Peasants.
Maestro? Ready, kid?
Yeah.
Go!
Roscoe, Soto.
Come on, DeSoto.
Hey! There is a lady princess.
Well, it's nice to see that one of you has some manners.
After you, my little croissant.
Good grief.
And remember, quiet.
Oh, I broke a nail.
Oh, Balderdash.
What you call my woman, man? Yo, Tito, right? Let's check it out.
Yeah. Oh, that's funny, Mr. Winston. But I don't think you really appreciate the situation. Somebody could get hurt. Why don't you just get the old man on the phone and tell him it's about his daughter, Jenny?
Okay, listen up. Francis, I want you.
You still there? Yeah. It's party time.
What didn't order any pizza. Where are those dogs?
Oliver, I thought I'd never see you again.
Gentlemen, what's the occasion? Come to rescue your little friend.
Say goodbye.
Oh, boy. Whoopsie daisy.
All right, what a woman! Francis, you keep an eye on the monitors. Come here.
What is this? A slumber party? Get going, you slobbering mutts.
Francis, is the coast clear? Francis!
Goodness.
What was I gonna do, Dodge?
Yo, Tito, quiet. Hey, no way, Dodger, man. I've been borrowed you too many times, man.
Good luck, Alonzo.